Good morning, children. Children, already we are going through the chapter 15, Water a Necessity. In this chapter, till now, we have known that about 72% of Earth's surface is covered with water, out of which only 1% is good for drinking. Rest are all present in seas and ocean. Now, every living being needs water to survive. That already we have gone through. If we talk about animals, if we talk about plants and human being, we all need water for our survival. Right? Now, how this water comes to us, how we get this water. Let us discuss in this module how we get water, how water gets to our tap in our house. Right? Today we will do first part. In next part we will continue this topic. So let us start with this. Now here, children, you should know one thing. You must know that rainwater is the purest form of water. But yes, when it falls on the earth, it gets contaminated and then thus it becomes impure. So let us start. Rainwater is the purest form of water but gets contaminated when it falls on the earth. Right? Now, when this rainwater is coming down to earth, it gets mixed with dirt and dust and then thus it gets contaminated and it becomes impure. Now this rainwater floats in river, lakes, ponds, then seas, ocean, everywhere, right? When it falls on the earth. Now what happens? This water we collect and then it is purified and then we get to our at our home through taps. Now let's see. This rainwater gets collected in rivers, ponds, lakes, streams, wells, seas and ocean. Right? As I said, it gets collected, it keeps flowing in this form, this rainwater. Then much of the rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called underground water. This you need to know what is underground water. When this rainwater falls on the earth, it floats in rivers, seas, ocean, well, as we have discussed, stream. But some water gets collected down to earth. It gets collected between rocks, right? And then it seeps into the earth. Now, this water which goes into the earth is called underground water. Some water we can see on the surface of the ground, but these water we cannot see. This is called underground water. Clear? Hand pump and tube wells are used to pull out underground water. Now you must have seen hand pumps, right? In villages or near this irrigation area, we see these hand pumps. We need to push it very hard and then this water will come out. So this hand pump will pull the water from underground this thing. Now these hand pumps are helpful to pull out this underground water. Tube well or hand pumps are helpful to get this underground water. The water that we cannot see, it is deep down in the earth. That is called underground water. A large amount of water can be obtained from tube wells. This water is mainly used for irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation? We cultivate like a farming. So simple word is farming. Irrigation means farming. So most of the water, large amount of water if we talk, we can take out from the help of tube wells, and this water is used mainly for irrigation. And then the rest in next part we will get to know how this rainwater that collects or that floats in river, lake, stream gets purified in a purification plant and how we get this water at our home. So children, Here we have come to an end to this part. So just go through this module, read the chapter properly. Each line you go through the each line of the chapter you go through. Otherwise, you are not able to know the content of the chapter. So thank you, children. Have a good day.